Physicists caught two atoms talking to each other. Joe stole my electron.
Here's Joe.
Your baby is so cute. How old is it?
32 months.
Oh, you like math? Determine the velocity. It'll be fun, he's like 3 years old. If gravity exists, then why does the US flag look like this and not like this? My half-brother is 6'4". My God, imagine if he were a full brother. Your math is blowing my mind. Physics exists. Goats. I swear they have like magnets on the side of their hooves.
Relax, you won't fall. Remember, here gravity pulls you up, not down.
All right, I forgot again. Sorry.
No biggie, it's your first night in Australia after all.
Physicist wins IG Nobel Prize for study on whether cats should be classified as liquid. I knew it!
Physics. Objects must move in the same direction as the force imposed upon them.
Karen's. I have my rights! Okay, Karen is kind of impressive right now. Some people, physics is boring. Meanwhile, physics in the ocean. A diver captured the moment two boba rings collided, dissolving into each other to form one large circle. Petition to gather all physics teachers and ban this? Yeah, I feel like it should be a democracy. Can we vote to change the laws of physics? Professors teaching math be like, this is the radius, and this is the diameter. Man with Alzheimer's starts floating because he forgot that gravity exists. The dark side of the Force is a pathway to many abilities some consider to be unnatural. Physics. Physics if Newton slept under a coconut tree. He would not have woken up, I'll tell you that much. Physicists are like, to simplify calculations, we will assume the cat is cubical. This is why I was late for work this morning. I don't think you realize how close we came to a world-ending event. Oh my gosh, Coca-Cola and Mentos. Physics. You can only fold paper 8 times. Origami masters. Roshan, 6'10". 6'10"? Ice Age, baby. Peppa Pig. Calculators on phones be like... Physics textbook. Assume coefficient of friction is 0. Don't skip physics class, boys. Made a barbecue out of an old drum. I hope this will one day last longer because plastic doesn't rust like metal. Why are people so stupid? Therapist. Spider Cat isn't real, it can't hurt you. Spider Cat. Down, down, when the bell is 20,001 hertz? I didn't hear no bell, because it's outside of the human hearing range, I guess. They say it's a mystery how the pyramids were built, but I reckon they just started at the bottom and worked their way up. Let's face it, this looks a lot more difficult. Oh, yeah, good point. I thought they built it that way in creative mode. How many copies of Super Mario Odyssey have been sold worldwide so far? Over 3, over 10 million, over 12 million, over 17 million? Me trying to figure out how 17 million is not over 3? Black hole. Flights? Wait a minute, what? Students invent bacteria that eats plastic. Man, humanity is awesome. Pilot, we are now flying over 32,000 feet. I don't know why the feet are there, it's kind of weird. Ancient Greek astrologers be like, ah, yes, a goat. Time travel is invented. Me running fast AF to stop the apple from falling on Newton's head so he doesn't invent gravity and I can start flying. When you calculate the gravity and the value is negative. People in 1687 having fun levitating. Isaac Newton. And I took that personally. Screw you, dude. Perfect physicist animal. Assume a spherical chicken. To be fair, aren't spheres like really annoying to calculate though? Just a normal physics class. What in the BDSM? Me! I've conquered my fear of water! Also me. I think I'm staying in this boat though. Gravity suit. I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move. Minecraft characters be like, what, you got an issue, pal? The physics of a spiral magnet. About to send water to Africa. The guy who did this, I honestly believe that sometimes my genius, it generates gravity. Physics teacher, today we're going to visit a wind tunnel. Girls, oh no, aerodynamics is so boring. Boys. Europeans, hey, we've invented the metric system. It's very helpful, you should use it. Americans. Adult deer are as tall as a bicycle. They weigh as much as 800 hamburgers. I did it! I did it! I built a Pringles Ringle! No glue, just physics! People who know quantum physics. People who can solve the mystery in Scooby-Doo before they reveal it. Quantum physicists be like, huh, it only changes when it's observed. Me, how the frick ever girls attracted to you? Fat dude. Gravity. Bumps. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. Albert Einstein. Me after ignoring air resistance. Ooh. How do y'all walk in shallow water? Math is math. Math equals math. Math minus math equals 0. I used the math to destroy the math. Why is it so easy to stay awake until 6 a.m. but so hard to wake up at 6 a.m.? Things in motion tend to stay in motion, while things at rest tend to stay at rest. Physics, that's really hard to say a lot. Physical therapists suggest gamers do 5 push-ups per death to remain physically active. Zhu Xiao King from the enemy team. Meanwhile, inside the box, Schrodinger's cat plans its revenge. Anime titties, anime spines, anime physics, anime watchers, perfectly balanced as all things should be. Physics teacher, can someone explain what a vector is? Me. Ions with both direction and magnitude. This is a stop sign. Badumts. We need 4 hugs a day for survival. We need 8 hugs a day for maintenance. We need 12 hugs a day for growth. Boys. Guess I'll die. What'd we see? What are animals with a larger color range than ours see? Wait, that's the oh, well, guess we wouldn't be able to. Physics. Why can't you just be normal? Water. How do we know they're actually dead or just pretending? Physicists. Isaac Newton invented gravity. Discovered. Alright, there we go, we got him. Physicians. Never change the past with the time machine. Me and the boys. Day 1 of ceramics class. Secret gnome will live under the soup.
Sneak 100.
Physics teachers when they start teaching about electricity. Birds after Isaac Newton created gravity. Haha, they gotta learn to fly again. Safe to say my office has a drinking problem. Office ran out of ice, so we did this to chill the tequila. Studying physics.
Almost done. Almost done. Oh, yes!
Oh, crap. Physics teacher, you have great potential. Why don't you use it? Me standing on the rooftop. Hey, wait a second. Physics. I fear no man. But that thing. Action scene from an Indian movie. It scares me. Nikola Tesla. Kraft. Thomas Edison. Mine. Americans will measure with anything but the metric system. Working for you. Doggy-sized pothole patched on the north side. Hey, to be fair, we brought the dog for reference. I don't see how it's inaccurate. Xbox. Y box. Y equals Xbox. Y equals X squared box. Y equals X cubed box. Y equals E Xbox. Y equals sine Xbox. X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared equals radius 2 box. X to the power of 4 minus X to the power of 4 equals XY box. Okay, I know all these but the last one. What the? Anyway, subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next one. Peace, peace.